Guys, so we're here outside because there's no electricity, so we're going to lay down here. It's very hot.
Sakit ni pamamal bata on, maninami o.
Akin na ipalo ko yan sa kanila. Sige, pasaway ha.
Tara.
Pasaway kay ipaluin kita.
Sakit na.
Until now, there's no electricity. I don't have any sleep. All I need to do is to do the like that. Pie.
He not do that to sleep.
3 consecutive nights, no electricity.
Baby, bye.
Okay?
Huwag kayo mga sawa ng Pinay.
It makes me ugly.
What's this? What is that? It's the pastry.
And I'm eating this. Super crunch. It's corn chips. Very hot. Kuya Kel, talaga naman. Enough. Tinapon lang, sayang.
China chips.
No more yan.
China chips na pen nasa.
Wala yan, doon na. Tapon mo na yan.
What's this? Tapon mo na. Tapon na natin ito. Ilagay mo lang yan dyan. Ito.
Hipos. Ano ginagumod dyan ni nanay siya, ma? Aray ko!
It's this.
Basi ka. Minat ko sining, ha?
Not eat? Okay, I need you not eat. Not
So that's our house. You see that? Look. And I'm here. See that?
Mommy, look. A tree.
Aray ko! Init.
Want this?
No, don't touch that.
Want this? Baby.
Aray ko! Ano ba? Titingin kita mamaya. Asan na yung pamalo? Sige. Sleep na, sleep. Dito. Tuloy ako. Ikaw, doon, ikaw. Dito. Dito, sit down. Mag-lay down na. Sleep na kayo, dalian mo na. Init, it's so hot here. No wind. Aray! Ang sakit na. Sakit. Ha? Ano? Anong gagawin mo?
Doon ko nagtrabaho.
Hayaan mo yan, oy. Hayaan mo sila dyan.